Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am your class teacher, MrsKajul Saxena. Today I will teach you English. Topic is sound of vowel O. After learning vowel A, E, I, today I will teach you vowel O. O says O. O says O. Now let's start. First letter is T. T says T. O says O. P says P. T O P. Top. T O P. Top. L says L. O says O. G says G. L O G. Log. L O G. Log. Next, P says P. O says O. T says T. P O T. Pot. P O T. Pot. Next, C. C says K. O says O. T says T. K O T. Cot. C O T. Cot. Next, R says R. O says O. D says D. R O D. Rod. R O D. Rod. Next, D says D. O says O. G says G. D O G. Dog. T O G. Dog. I repeat again. T says T. O says O. P says P. T O P. Top. T O P. Top. Next, L says L. O says O. G says G. L O G. Log. L O G. Log. Next, P says P. O says O. T says T. P O T. Pot. P O T. Pot. Next, C. C says K. O says O. T says T. K O T. Cot. C O T. Cot. Next, R. R says R. O says O. D says D. R O D. Rod. R O D. Rod. Next, D. D says D. O says O. G says G. D O G. Dog. D O G. Dog. Children, hope you all understood all the words. Write them in your notebook. Keep practice. Thank you.